Good morning, children. Now, I'm going to take lesson poem for 9th standard. That is the spider and the fly. You know, both the living organisms only. Spider is the thing. Fly is used to be the prey to the spider. So both are different movement. Fly, that eats to fly. No, that is in Tamil we have to say een solrum paranga, that is. Spider, you know, it is making the web. What are the small insects it has to catch in the web? So this poem, what the poet wants to tell us, he wants to tell us a moral. So other person, those who want to cheat us, those who want to make us fools, they will say some beautiful words to us to attract, to get the thing from us. But we the human beings have the steady mind and we should analyze whether it is correct or not, then only we have to proceed. Here, the spider using all the beautiful words and fascinating the fly and beg the fly to come to his parlor. Here parlor means what? That is the house. Here the spider's house. The spider is requesting fly, you are looking very beautiful, you are doing this and that, why can't you come to my house? He asked like that. Very first fly said no only. It refused, no, I don't want to come to the parlor because I know your nature, everything she said. But second time it is approaching. Which is approaching? Spider is approaching second time to the fly. Then because going on approaching again and again, it becomes weakened. Which becomes weakened? Fly has become weakened and has agreed and get into the trap of spider. This is the poem. From the poem, the poet wants us to tell the moral. You should be clever. So don't give the place for decitated. The others can be easily cheated you. Don't give the place. Use your brain and work according to that. Clear? Let us go for the poem. But before getting into the poem, we'll say the poet. And I think it's a memorator poem. No, it is not memorator. Only thing you should go through. And as usual, we have to say the rhyming pair, rhyming scheme and alliteration. I said what are the important thing already. The poem Spider and the Fly is written by Mary Botham and Howitt. It's the English name, no. It has 3 subnames with it. The poet, we will see about the poetess. She is the lady Mary Botham. She is the lady. So the author, she was an English poet. She was born at Colifat. She was educated at home and read widely. In the olden days and all, mostly they will be educated at home. She commenced writing verses at very early age. The very early age she started to write the poem. Together with her husband William, she wrote over 180 books. How many books she has written? 180 books. Even her husband also a writer. Clear? She gives the moral here. So let us go to the thing. For example, see some vegetables are here. Bitter gourd, beetroot. Suppose the children are not fond of, they dislike the vegetables. We should say some add-on-ful words and we'll say this is the benefit, that is the benefit. If you eat this, you will grow like that. By convincing, we are just convincing the children. The same like the spider convinced fly. We'll see how the poet uses his tail. Then what are the words present in that for a simple thing. That is the spider requesting the fly to come to the parlor. Parlor is a small place where they are living. Here what is the parlor for the spider? The web. Fly, it knows the habit of spider. First it refuses. It refuses to go to the parlor and says, no, I know your tricks. You are calling me to trap in your web only. She refuses like that. But finally, because of frequent approach, frequent means what? Then and then, the people are going on asking, forcibly we have to say yes. Like that, the fly said yes and it got into the web. We'll see now. So, suppose if the regular classes, how we can take, one student may act as a fly, other student may act as a spider. But here, because the online classes, I have to take both. Will you walk into my parlor? Said the spider to the fly. It is the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show when you are there. Will you walk into my parlor? So, what are the characters here? One is spider, other one is fly. Okay, here only two organisms. The conversation between only two organisms. One is spider, other one is fly. Both are insects. So, who is questioning first? Who is inviting? The spider invites fly. Spider invites fly to his parlor. What he asked? Will you walk into my parlor? Said the spider to the fly. It is the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show when you are there. What the spider said? Will you walk into my parlor? That means what? Will you please come to my house? It is the prettiest. So, how it attracts, say, it is the prettiest house. Generally, if your friend call you, come to my house, what you will say? No. Then you have to say what? Hey, mine is beautiful house. Many attractive things are there. That means because of curiousness, if your friend want to attend your house, to come to your house. The same like, it said, it is the prettiest little parlor. Small house only, but how it is? Prettiest. Prettiest means what? Beautiful. You ever see like that? Huh? The way into my parlor, then how to go? It's an easy thing. It's a winding stair. Winding stair means what? How we have to walk on the stairs like that. Stair means steps. Spider's web you are seeing. It's make into the height only. It makes the house in the height by threads and other things. And I have many curious things. Not only the house is prettiest. And what are the things she kept in the house, spider? Many curious things to show them when you are there. When you are coming to my house, you can see. Children, it is nearly how many paragraphs? 1, 2, 13 paragraphs. In this only 2 paragraphs are 3 lines and 2 lines. So let us see 3 paragraphs together. Clear? First, who answered? Spider asked. Spider asked the fly to come to the beautiful house, which has lot of curious things. Till that, do you understand? Next, we have to see the spider. Now, it is the turn for the fly. Fly refuses to go. What it says? Oh, no, no, said the little fly. To ask me in vain. What the fly said? No, you are asking me. It is waste only. Vain means what? Becomes waste. We are trying a lot and the result is negative, means our efforts and all what? Our efforts become vain. Vain means it gets wasted. For who goes up your winding stair can never come down again. What the spider said? No, I know. The person who went to your stairs, they never come up again. Once they get into the trap, they trapped only. They cannot come down from the trap. That's why. Fly beautifully, cleverly answered, no, calling me is waste only. I don't know, I won't come because I know once if anyone comes to your house, they cannot go back to their house. Once spider house you went means again you're trapped there. You cannot go to your own house, he said like that. Clear? Second paragraph, third one. I'm sure you must be very dear with soaring up so high. Will you rest upon my little bed? Said the spider to the fly. So what the spider said? When it refuses very boldly, he said, no, I know you are very means what? Tired. You are very very. Because of flying, you are getting tired. Who said now? The spider said, you are getting very tired with soaring up so high, but because flying high and becomes what? You have become very thing. Will you rest upon my little bed? You just come and take a few minutes rest. Because of flying, you have become very tired. You just take rest. Said the spider to the fly. There are pretty curtains drawn around and the sheets are fine and thin. The spider web, that lines and all. He said it is the curtains. It makes the house very beautiful. You just come and lie down for something. And if you like to rest a while, I will snugly tuck you in. If you come rest a while, I will be very happy when you are coming to my house. Again the little fly said, "Oh, no, no," said the little fly, "for I have often heard it said, they never, never wake again who sleep upon your bed." What is it? Suppose if I sleep in your bed, that's all, I cannot wake up again. I know. First time it said, once I come to your house, I cannot go to my own house. Second time the fly says, once I am taking a rest in your bed, I cannot go and take rest in my own bed. She refuses. The fly refuses. Said the cunning spider to the fly, "Dear friend, what can I do? To prove the warm affection I have always felt for you." Then first time it is asking to come and rest in the parlor, that is bed. Then it refuses. Then second what is said, come and take rest in my bed. Okay. Then cunning, who is the cunning now? Spider is cunning. Cunning spider said, "Dear friend, what can I do to prove the warm affection I have always felt for you?" He said, "I got a warm affection on you. How can I show my affection to you?" Who was like that? The spider asked like that. "I have within my pantry good store and all that nice. I am sure you are welcome. Will you please take a slice?" So lot of things she got in the pantry. Here what's the meaning of pantry? The room where beverages, food and dishes are stored. First she is asking for the parlor. She called the fly to the parlor. When it refuses, she asked to get rest. Then to the bed, it also refuses. Then pantry. Pantry is the place where the food things are stored. Food items are stored. He said, "Come and rest. Come and take some slices of bread or something else which you found. I have within my pantry good store of all that nice. Nice means delicious things. I am sure you are very welcome. Will you please take to a slice?" It's a simple slice you take. Then again also, the fly part is only less. It is inviting the fly for the 4 lines. But fly refuses within 2 lines. Again it said, wherever fly comes, no, only 2 lines, only spider, only 4 lines. "Oh, no, no," said the little fly, "kind sir, that cannot be." So from that we know the spider is the male spider. Kind sir, that cannot be. Sir. Sir is for what? Male bird only, no. So the fly addresses spider as sir. So this is male. Spider is male spider. Then this time also it refuses. "Kind sir, that cannot be. I have heard what is in your pantry and I do not wish to see." I know what are the things in your pantry. I don't want to come. Okay. Then again the spider said, "Sweet creature," said the spider, "you are witty and you are wise." Witty means what? Somewhat different. And you are wise. Wise means what? Intelligent. You are different from other creatures and you are very intelligent. How handsome are your gauzy wings. Then it says the beauty of the fly. How your wings are very gauzy, very shining and other thing. How brilliant are your eyes. Of his wings, of his eyes. I have a little looking glass upon my parlor shelf, and if you all step in one moment, dear, you shall behold yourself. What is it? It says the beauty of the fly now. Yeah, you got very beautiful wings and your eyes are very beautiful. If you come to my house, you can see what? Mirror. On the mirror, you can see a beautiful appearance. Like that, it convinced. Now also, the fly said, "I thank you, gentle sir," she said, for what you are pleased to say. And bidding you good morning now, I will call another day. What it said? Okay, whatever you said, okay. But let me say good morning. Bidding means what? Telling. Let me say good morning. I'll call another day. Who said? The fly said. So, shall we stop with this? Let us go for the thing. Remaining paragraphs we'll see later on. "Will you walk into my parlor?" said the spider to the fly. "It is the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show when you are there." First we'll see rhyming the first paragraph. What are the things? Pairs we have to say the last word only. I said already. First one, flying. Second line will say what? Spying. Third line, stare. Fourth line, there. So, fly, spy, both pronouns are same. So, they are A. Stare and they pronounce same, though they are B. So, rhyming scheme in the first paragraph, you have to say A. Pair means rhyming pair. Scheme is different from pair. Scheme we have to take for 4 lines. And pair only 2 lines. So, here, fly, spy. This is the pair. Clear? What is the thing? This is the pair. Rhyming pair. Now, we have to go for alliteration. In the first line, you say, will you walk into my parlor? Said the spider to the fly. Will. Walk. Alliteration, what I said, the same letter repeats many times in a sentence, in the same sentence. Here, will you walk? So, both are begins with W. This is alliteration. Clear? The same like the said spider and all down. Next one, it is the prettiest little parlor. Second line. Prettiest parlor. This is alliteration. On the third line, the way into my parlor is up winding stair. Way, winding. These are the alliteration. And the fourth line, and I have many curious things to show when you are there. Things they, we can say. In all the lines, we can see the alliteration in the first paragraph. Clear, children? In the first paragraph, we have seen rhyming scheme, rhyming pair, and alliteration. Clear? We'll go to the second one, that is the reply of the fly. Oh, no, said the little fly, to ask me is vain. For who goes up your winding stair can never come down again. So here we can say only rhyming pair, there is no rhyming scheme, other thing, vain and again. So second stanza, we can see only 2 words, that is vain, again, stare. So this is A, this is B, this is A. So second paragraph rhyming scheme means A, B, A. Pair means vain, again. Clear? There is no alliteration. So third paragraph, let us go to the third paragraph. I am sure you must be very dear with the soaring up so high. So as usual, we have to see for rhyming pair and rhyming scheme. This is third paragraph. What is at last? High, fly, thin, in. This is A, B. So rhyming scheme is A, pair means what? I fly, thin and in. And we have to go for alliteration. Here, sure, alliteration, sure, soaring. Both begins with the same letter. Will you rest upon my bed, said the spider to the fly. Here there is no alliteration. If you want, you can take said and spider. There are pretty curtains around the sheets of fine and thin. Here also no alliteration. And the last one, and if you like to rest a while, I will snuggie and you in. Here too we cannot find the alliteration. So 3 paragraphs we are seeing. There is no alliteration. The fourth one, that is a reply of the thing. Fly, said, bid. That is what? Rhyming pair. Said, bid. This is rhyming pair of fourth paragraph. And alliteration, they never wake again. So never. This is the alliteration here. Last paragraph, we'll go for the last paragraph also. Remaining paragraphs we'll see afterwards. Page number 102, we are concerning it. Said the cunning spider to the fly, dear friend, what can I do? To prove the warm affection I'll always for you. So I have a pantry that's nice, slice. So rhyming scheme we have to say means nice and slice. That is pair and thing. Okay, the same like we have to say welcome and bill. This is the alliteration. Let me continue in other class, children. Thank you.